had a girl that took the ink fingerprinting course. She's so funny. And she's like, is that it? Is that it? And I said, yeah, that's it. She wanted it to be like 15 modules. I'm like, girl, it don't take all that to do ink fingerprint. Now you need to know what you're doing for sure, but it don't take 15 modules to figure out how to do ink fingerprinting, okay? So my style may be too simple for some people, and I get that. For 95% of the world, they love it because they ain't trying to do 200 modules to figure out, oh, that's what they was trying to say, so they can fluff up the price. That's what they was trying to say. And my stuff is worth way more than I charge for it, but I'm of the mindset volume. Even in my own personal notary business, I don't try to make all my money off of one person. If I help the people, the money will come. I am already subscribed. I will be more consistent. Yeah, that's why I said take your time, honey. Take your time. When you're ready, when it said what they say, when the pupil is ready, the teacher will appear. So when you're actually ready, we're here. You know where to come. NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. Okay, but right now, baby, please, I beg you, I implore you, do not establish no business because you're not ready. Okay, I'm telling you, you cannot just get out there and try to wing this thing. You cannot. And it's not as simple as, well, let me go get my state handbook and read it. Let me tell you how you know that it's a little bit more to it than just going to pick up your state handbook. Because one, like I just said, I have 1,000 videos here on this channel. We have 16 courses. We've been meeting every week for the last almost 2 years. Now, this is different mentorships. So not the same program. This particular mentorship, and it's evolved because we first started out, it was just mentorship, like talking only. Then we evolved and it became mentorship with the courses included. Boom. Then it changed again where we have mentorship in live sessions. Now it's changing again where we have 2 entry points into the mentorship program. So we're constantly evolving. We went to a UPS store today. I'm gonna get ready to head out of here. So if you got any questions, feel free to drop it. But we went to the UPS store today, and it was funny because, and you'll see this video coming out soon. Jeffrey just has to put it together about the apostille. And we went to the UPS store, and the young man was like, yeah, we got a TikTok channel. Because I had stopped my recording. I was going to stop it when I got in there. I said, hey, I'm recording something, but I'm not going to put you in there. I just want them to hear the conversation. He was like, oh, sure, no problem. So he was like, we have a TikTok channel after I cut off the video. So I said, oh, do you mind if I put it back on and record us just a little bit? So I did. He gave a shout out to his store. I gave a shout out to him. He gave us our 2 copies for free. And it was a beautiful relationship for him. Now, I don't go that way that often, but if they call me in that area and the price is right, your girl will be there, okay? But I say all that to say, we will be here. We got plenty of content. So start here, and then when you're really ready about your business, then you can join the mentorship program, okay? And we'll be here. We got 7 minutes, actually 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Anything else? Hit the like button. Couple more people here. Any questions? We got 6 minutes. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresher. I was at the ice cream place and I used the expression, oh, phooey. And the man, he said, I've not heard that in years. Because I wanted a certain kind of ice cream and they didn't have it. I said, oh, phooey. He was like, I ain't heard phooey in years. But I was like, oh no, that's what that meant. Okay. What else, guys? That's it? Nothing else? You got 5 minutes. I can't believe y'all don't have no questions. Okay. Show for show? Sure for sure. Show for show. What's up? What? Nothing? Okay. Well, anyway, guys, I will see some of you tonight over in Mentorship Live. For the rest of you, I will see you here on the YouTube channel in some form or fashion. Don't forget, we have a podcast. We even have a blog, okay? So you can read the blog if you want to. All right, guys. Well, until next time, I am out of here. And this has been Notary Educators with your host, Kimmi Nunnally. Bye. All things notary, NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. Bye.